Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Justin Hill and I create videos about how you can make a little bit of extra money online. Thank you, Brave. Typically in the form of PayPal, crypto, gift cards and things like that. In today's episode I want to talk about Brave. Anyone that follows me knows that I love Brave. I use Brave browser and yeah, I absolutely love it. Now I just wanted to do a video just to make sure that everybody's maximising their earning potentials using it. And that's basically what this video is about. I'm going to make it as quick as possible. And yeah, so let's go. So I'm on the Brave browser right now. There are some things we need to check. Obviously you can contribute if you want to contribute. The first one is here. Ads settings. Now if you've been using Brave for a while, you might actually have this set on 5, because 5 used to be the maximum that you could have. But I'm not quite sure when it became available to have 10, but there is the option of 10 ads per hour now. Doesn't mean you will get 10 ads per hour. It means you could get up to 10 ads per hour. Let's make that clear. One thing that people get confused with. All that is saying is that you could get up to 10 ads per hour. It all depends on what's available in your region, where you live, as to whether you'd get those many ads. But we might as well set it as high as we can, and then, you know, if we're lucky, we'll get those 10 ads per hour. So make sure you've got your 10 ads per hour set. The other area is on your new tab. When you refresh, you will not always, I think it's every 4 refreshes or something like that, you'll hit you know, like a sponsored background, I guess is what they call it, and you'll earn a little bit for that. And another way you can earn, which a lot of people don't use, is if you scroll down. It's not overly obvious, but you got Brave News down here. So if we scroll down and if we show Brave News, there is actually ads on this as well. So if you use this for your news and you scroll through, you don't even have to click on it. Now I've got to this point, that ad will show up. So DeFi 1.0 was just the start. Okay, so just to show this, if I go back to my rewards, 30 days, DeFi 1.0 was just the start. So you see, I've earned, you know, I've earned by not even just, I haven't even clicked on it, I've just scrolled past it, and I've earned. So yeah, just literally go through. There'll be some more ads at some point. I mean, just look through it, and it's just news. But at the same time, you're earning without even realising it's there. I would have earned for that. Just keep going. You know, find stuff you like. Click on it if you want to click on it, obviously. And yeah, so there's the news as well that you can earn. Top and go back on there. Yeah, that was the one. Add some extra Brave to your coffee with a Brave mug. So you don't even have to click on it. You just scroll past it, and it's still, because it's shown you the advert, the ad, you earn for it. There you go. So there's 3 ways there that you can earn your more, you know, potentially more rewards. Make sure you update that to 10 on your new tab. Every now and again, just refresh it, and you'll get to one of these. And also, you know, once or twice a day, have a look through your news. You can customize it. I've not done that. So yeah. Just wanted to go over that quickly, just to make sure everyone's aware of all of these options. Always check that your Brave is up to date. Brave is up to date, that's cool. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do. If you like content like this, if you found this useful, hit the thumbs up, notification bell, subscribe, etc., etc. You know the score. I really appreciate you. Just even if you don't do that, just spending the time just to watch, some of the video means a lot. Take care and catch you on the next video. Peace.